Hello, so this is section 18 GBH evaluation for an essay. First point, I would say, big jump in sentencing. So you go from section 20, which is 5 years, to life, a potential life sentence. The only difference is the mens rea. The actus reus is exactly the same. So the mens rea is intent to cause serious harm. But I think the life sentence, if you end up putting somebody in a coma, it could be attempted murder, but it's probably easier to prove you intended serious injury. So section 18 reflects how serious the offence actually is. Attempted murder, you have to prove they intended to kill, and that is really difficult to do. The next issue, Offences Against Person Act, is old, it's out of date, it uses language such as grievous. Who uses that word? Bodily harm, again, that doesn't include mental harm when they made the act, but now it does. So judges are amending the offence to make it fit with modern society. The fact that biological harm is now included, DICA, HIV. This is kind of recognition that people can cause serious harm in a number of ways in today's society. So it's really important that it's not just bodily harm. It does include biological harm. It does include mental harm. Section 18 uses the word maliciously, but it's superfluous. In other words, it's not needed because Section 18 is a specific intent crime. You have to intend serious harm. So I think it would help if the offence was reworded and they didn't use strange words like maliciously or grievous. In 2015, the Law Commission suggested calling it intentionally causing serious injury. So intentionally causing serious injury. I like that. I think it's clear, it's simple, but again, you're going to have to define serious injury. There's no point trying to simplify it and then not defining some of the words. The other issues that I kind of spoke about with section 20 are that a wound can be minor, yet it's section 18. So if the defendant has intent to cause that, then it is section 18. The offence has been widened further because I don't really talk about this very much, but section 18 does include you can be guilty if you resist arrest and you are reckless to an injury. So Morrison said it is section 18 if you resist arrest and are reckless to an injury. I do think it's good that the law considers the impact on the victim as to whether the harm is serious. So baby Bolam was the bruised baby case, really sad. But they consider, well, that is serious harm to a baby. If you bruise me, that's not going to be serious harm. But if you bruise a baby, the impact on that baby is going to be a lot greater. And the law recognises that. And I think that is a good thing. So, there are plenty more points that you can talk about, but those are just some of the key ones that you might want to think about. So thank you very much.